Okay, hello everyone. Today we're going to show our final project, and it is a chat system with the GUI as well as a Pygame. So let's first enter the chat system. And here's Richard, which is player 1, and here is Margaret, which is player 2. And we are now checking some functions of chat system, like to return a poll and like to connect to Richard. And I said, "Hi Richard, do you want to play a game?" And Richard replied, "Yes, of course." And to trigger the interface, we need to input a game. And now, as you can see, here is our GUI interface, and there are 2 windows in total. Which one is for Richard, another one is for Margaret. And if we click button 1, we will get the instructions of this game. They should read through the instructions first and then to play the game. And they need to control the ball and not to let it jump out of the border. And before time's out, and this player is still survive, so they will get the point. As you can see, the Richard get 1 point. Here is game 2, and we need to control the plane to hit the rock. And time's out, you survive, so you get a point here. As you can see, the points is also updated here.
Okay, then this is the 3rd game. You are supposed to collect enough coins in the time. We set the timer to be 25 minutes in order to help you to show all the features of the game. If you get enough points within the timer, you can win the game. Now the points is updated again, as you can see on the screen. Okay, let's try the 4th game. Okay, this game, you lose because you bump into the wall. Yes, and you can see the point is updated again. There's no change because you did not win the game. Okay, in this game, you are supposed to use the key space to jump and make sure that you jump on the platform. We set the time to be only 10 seconds in order to save the time for you to watch this video. Okay, now let's try next game. Okay, in this game, you are supposed to use the arrow key to move the block. Okay. If within the time the ball did not go over the window, you win. And you can see the points updated. Now the 6th game, okay, we have already tried this, we just close this window. And if you close, it will automatically give you lose. Okay, now it's Flappy Bird game. It's very popular online, and we make it by ourselves. Okay, so you use the key space to jump, and you have to make sure that you do not bump into the rectangles. It is constantly updated, and its length is random. Now, whoop, I bumped into the window, so I lose. You can see the point did not change. Okay, this is in Chinese, 2048 is very famous online. And if you did not make 2048 you just set the timer to be 10 seconds, you lose. But yeah, it's too strict, we know it. Just for you to enjoy the game, we set the timer to be slow. Now, its last game is catch ball. You are supposed to use the arrow key to hit, to touch the ball. And you do not bump into the AI. If you bump into it, you lose. Or if the time is up, you lose. It's supposed to be a 30-second game, but we just set it to be 10 seconds. Okay, so that's basically the end of our chat system. Both players can compete, and the buttons are matched from 1 to 9. to the difficulty level of the game. If the game is hard, if the game is hard and the player win the game, he will get high points. Otherwise, get low points. Okay, thank you for watching.